Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2015 Honda Civic. Stock number is A7633. Starting right away up front, and then we're going to be taking a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Firestone tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a rear backup camera on the back. Taking a look in the trunk. There's plenty of storage room here. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Climate control and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Civic on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report that is provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.